good day everyone. So I am here in this area where we are in the location na asa na resting place sa mga former na pari or mga former priests before. So in this area is like most of your prayers, like especially that you had not put it in some of your houses or in churches, whatever the religion is, it would be answered. But mostly prayers are those that are positive, like you did not had any negative thoughts in your brain as well, because negativity when it's mixed with positivity, so it's still useless. So it's better that it's direct to the point, like few words of the prayer, especially with some people. And I also tried it before that there are prayers that I haven't put in words even in my mind. Like sometimes that when we are learning some new stuffs or new things is that the brain should really be empty at that moment, like no thoughts, like either positive or negative, so that you can put that new learnings in your brain as well at that time. So this part here is the former priest resting place.